Oh hi, my name is Suri again. Today is a origami day, and the Chinese people that love to make the birds for good luck. But now I would like to make the bird, but it called parrot. Before I start, I have a scissors, black nickel, and paper. So I start following rectangle. And then put your finger like this. And next, the same. That is. And turn. Go. It look like this. That way. And next one, same. Okay, like this. And open one side. Like this. And the next one. This is the same. It will look like this. And then turn 4 in half. Like this. Make it. And I use scissors for the wing up. Like this. Next, turn like this. And the feet turn inside. That's it. That is easy. And the eyes. That's it. All done. Nice and easy. That is a parrot. Good luck. Bye.